I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes crispy edges. Preheat a heavy nonstick or cast iron skillet until it is hot and lightly smoking, then add a thin film of butter and oil and pour batter sparingly for thin edges. Cook on medium heat, flip once when bubbles form and edges set, then finish briefly on higher heat for extra crisp. Use a thin spatula for clean flips and avoid pressing down. Resting the batter is a simple trick that improves edge crispness and interior texture, and I explain how to tweak ingredients. Use slightly thinner batter than usual, add a little sugar to encourage caramelization, and let the batter rest so bubbles form more predictably. These small changes change how edges brown and crisp up. I'll walk you through measuring, adjusting, and testing doneness so you get repeatable results. Controlling heat and mastering the flip are key to crispy edges, and I'll share practical timing cues you can hear and see. Begin on medium heat to cook through, then increase heat briefly after flipping to crisp edges without burning centers. Wait for bubbles and a set edge before flipping, and use a thin spatula for a clean turn. With practice, you'll time flips instinctively and nail the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.